Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be working on the suspension finally. So I end up getting some Bilstein 5100s for the front and back. I'm going to be using the Dobinson heavy duty springs on the front. And on the backs, I'm going to pair it up with some Ironman heavy duty springs. So I decided to go with these because I was planning on maybe in the near future adding some front winch on the 4Runner, but I don't know yet. I'm just prepping myself so that way if I decided to go with it, I don't have to upgrade the springs again. And as far as the 5100 Bilstein, I don't go anything crazy when I go off-roading. Most of the time I'm on the fire roads and I don't really do any rock crawling or anything like that. So this should be perfect. So I can't wait. I'm gonna put this all together. Hopefully everything works out well. But before anything else, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So again, thanks for watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so for today's project, we're gonna be putting all these together. Like I said, we're gonna use the Bilstein 5100 and also the Dobinson coils. So the way we're going to be doing it, of course, we're going to have to use this spring compressor. I've used this before. You just got to know how to use them, even though I know I've used this on my previous car a long time ago to compress the springs. So we're going to use this spring compressor here. So I'm going to be leaving the circ clip settings right here on the very first settings, because we're going to be using the 2-inch Dobinson coils, so we don't need to adjust these. So the only time that you need to adjust these is if you're going to be using the stock coils that came with your vehicle. But like I said, I'm going to leave it there. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start by compressing these coils. Then we're going to put everything together. Okay, so pretty much we got everything put together. Everything looks good. We got a couple of turns here. So I didn't make it tight all the way because once we put it back on the vehicle, we're gonna torque it down or make it a little bit tighter. One thing that you need to pay attention to whenever you're installing it, sure it's sitting properly in its position, and also the most important thing too, whenever you're installing it, make sure this bolt right here lines up with this flat surface right here, because this end here is going to be towards the end of your vehicle once you put them on. Otherwise you're going to have a hard time like putting this up on there. Okay, so yeah, so we got this one taken care of. Now we're going to move into the next one. I'm going to skip that video. Probably I'm going to skip it after I put everything together. I'm going to show you guys how to put it back on the vehicle. All right, so that would be it for today's episode for 4Runner build. Finally got the suspension done, but as for now, we're done with the suspension, so I'm not really sure what to do next. But stay tuned. There's more to come for sure. So again, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.